Okay, so for continuation, we have 18 and 19 for your sprocket and chain. Bali, andito to dun sa book na ginagamit natin. So let's start with number 18. Okay? So for number 18, a 3-strand, okay, a 3-strand chain and sprocket turns 650 RPM and has a service factor of 1.5. If 15 HP per strand chain is to be used, find the torque that the chain and sprocket can deliver. Okay? So, meron kang service factor pa dyan. Sir, saan ko makakuha yung service factor? Andito. So, for the number of strand, dito mo kunin yung service factor sa power transmitted. Ayan. Power transmitted times the number of service factor. Okay? So, balik tayo. So, tayo sa number 18. Sprocket na to. Number 18. So for number 18, meron tayong number of strand is equal to power developed divided by power per strand. Okay? Power per strand. Yung power developed mo is equal to power that is transmitted times yung service factor divided by power per strand. So, anong hinahanap natin dito? Yung kanyang torque. Okay? Tandaan natin, recall natin that yung power transmitted is equal to Tn over factor. Check. Tama yan. Ang hinahanap natin is the torque. Torque. So, algebraically, pwede bang i-reform ko to in terms of torque? So, torque is equal to, okay? Maya na pala, i-transmit ko na lang dito. Tawag dito? I-substitute ko na lang dyan. So, N ST is equal to Tn divided by factor times number of service factor divided by power per strand. Kaya ang kailangan ko lang naman is T. So, reform natin. The torque is now equal to, pag cross multiply natin to, lahat na nasa taas magiging baba na. So, N ST times power per strand times factor divide by N RPM to times NSF service factor. So, substituting the values, you have number of strand, 3 strands, tapos 15 HP per strand. O, pakita natin yung cancellation, ha. 3 strands, tapos 15 HP per strand. Yung factor is 63025 pound-inch RPM per HP. Divide by N is 650 RPM. Yung service factor is 1.5. 1.5. So, cancel all same units. HP HP, strand, RPM. Ang matitira is pound-inch. Check natin if tatama yung sagot natin at assumption natin. Divide by 650 times 1.5. Check na natin kung tama. Feet pounds, okay? Feet pounds yan. Lalabas is feet pounds. Kailangan natin ng times 12 inch 1 foot. Divide na lang natin ito ng 12. So, 242. The answer is 242.4038 pound feet. Check nga natin if tama. Tama yan. Okay? Next, ito yung mga sinasabi ko na problem na kailangan gamitin nyo pa rin yung ibang subject nyo. Dito, gagamit ka ng fluid machinery. Diba? So, a pump operates on a head of 35 m, delivering 80 liters per second of water at 80% efficiency. The pump is driven by a diesel engine by means of chain and sprocket with a service factor of 1.4. If the horsepower per strand is 28, find the approximate number of strands. Basic to. For number 18. Number 18. Okay, number 19. 90. Okay? Balikan natin. The number of strand is equal to power developed divided by power per strand. Okay? May binigay ba service factor dito? Ayun, 1.4. So, power developed times service factor, NSF. NSF. Yung power developed mo is the water power actually. Okay? So, for the power developed, that is equal to the power sa hydraulic. Hydraulic power eh. Ano ba hydraulic power? That is gamma Q head total. Divide by efficiency ng pump. Ay, dire-diretsong calculation natin. Ipasok natin siya dito sa equation. So, number of strand, ST equal to gamma Q head total service factor divide by efficiency ng pump tapos yung power per strand. So, calculating NS number of strands is yung gamma ng water, alam naman natin that is 9.81 kilonewton every cubic meter. Yung Q, 80 liter per second. 80 liter every second times. Okay? Times, you have 1 meter cube every 1,000 liters. Multiply to height na iaakit niya ng 35 m. 35 meters. Yung service factor, I think 1.4. Okay, 1.4. Tama naman. Divided by efficiency ng pump na 0.8. 0.80. Okay. Times the power per strand, 28 HP per strand. Okay. Cancel all same units. Liter, meter cube. Okay? Ang problema mo dyan, kilonewton meter per second. Di ba ang kilonewton meter per second is 1 kilowatt every 1 kilonewton meter every second. Tapos naka-HP tayo times 1 HP every 0.746 kilowatts. So, canceling all same units. Okay? So, meron ka ditong kilonewton seconds. Si kilowatt, HP. Ang natira si ST. Okay? So, cancel na lahat ng units. Nakuha natin yung desired unit. Multiply natin. 9.81 times 80 times 35 times 1.4. Eh, lahat na nasa baba. Sa baba na lang yan. So, 0.8 times 1,000 times 28 times 0.746. So, the number of strands is 2.3013. Approximately 3 pag sumobra. Check na natin if that is correct. O 2 lang ang ginawa niya. Hindi pwede. Dapat susobra kapag design. Okay? Sa pag-design, sobra yan. Sobra dapat. Kasi bibigay yung iyong sprocket. Next number, don't know if meron pang kasunod. Meron pa pala. Madami pa. Okay? Okay lang yan. Mukbangin na natin yan. Okay. So for the problem, ito na naman siya, yung kanina. So, certain farm equipment na naman, may torque na binigay, 600 RPM, okay, 1.6 ang diesel, number 60 roller chain, ibig sabihin, the length is 60 pitches, a small sprocket with 24 teeth are to be used with operating temperature to remain constant at 40 degrees Celsius. Find the number of teeth of the larger sprocket. O sir, ang tingin ko, tingnan natin dito ang tingin ko, yung diesel engine is 24 teeth, tapos yung farm equipment is yung mas malaki. Okay? So for number, magikit natin to number 20. Number 20, okay, look at the board. So teeth 1 and 1 equal to teeth 2 and 2. Ang kinukuha natin is teeth number 2. Okay. So 1,600 para sa 24 teeth. You have T2, T1, N1 divided by N2. So 24 teeth, 1,600, tapos ang paikutin lang niya is 600 RPM. Okay, wala nang unit yon. So, 24 divided by 600 times 1,600. So, 64 teeth. Diba? Basic lang. Akala mo haba-haba ng problem. Yun lang pala yung solution. Okay? You just have to read between the lines. So, for number 21, a driving sprocket, tandaan nyo, driving sprocket with 12 teeth drives another sprocket with 48 teeth by means of a chain having a pitch of 3/4 inch. If chain length is 75, find the center distance between the sprockets. Okay, medyo challenging siya. Sir, meron akong pwedeng gawin dito. May length ako ba ng chain? Yes, makukuha ko siya. Makukuha ko yung center niya. Okay? So, for 21, meron akong length na makukuha ko dito, LP times number of pitches. Yan. Pwede namang Okay? Kunin ko yung kanyang center distance from the diameters. Okay? Meron naman akong number ng teeth eh. Dito ko na lang kunin. So, pitch diameter ni 1 equal to pitch divided by sine 180 divided by number of teeth. Dito na lang. Okay? So, yung pitch ko is 0.75 inch every teeth divided by sine 180 divided by 12. Dito kunin yung una. Yung isa naman, dito, same lang, 0.75 inch per tooth divided by sine. Yung number of teeth nung pangalawa is 48. So, 180 divided by 48. Makukuha ko yung D1 and D2. Tapos, center ko is D2 plus D1 over 2. Kunin ko muna. So, 0.75 sine 180 divided by 12. That is 2.8978 inch. Yung pangalawa, 48 teeth. 11. So, 11.4673 inch. Pasok natin yung mga value na yan dito. So, 11.4673 plus yung D1 natin, 2.8978 divided by 2. So, center distance is 12.9162. May naging mali ba tayo dito? Wala. So, 3/4 inch, 75. Tama naman. 12 teeth, pitch, okay? Ano ang ginawa niya dito? Center distance. Siguro kinukuha niya yung CP. Kinukuha niya yung CP. Yung CP, di ba? Yeah, pag dinivide ko ito ng 0.75, makukuha ko 16, 17. CP. Okay? CP yan. Itong 12, try nyo dito sa isa. 12.91, ano nga to? 12.9162 times 2. 25.83. I don't know what he did. Minultiply niya ng 2. Okay? I don't know what he is thinking. Okay? So, parang minultiply niya ng 2, di ba? Pero, pag calculation kasi, ito lang ang nakakuha natin. Center distance. 12 inch. Okay? So, about number 22. A sprocket with 9-inch diameter and pitch of 3/4 inch drives another sprocket of standard center distance of 50 pitches. Okay, center distance is 50 pitches. Find the diameter of the larger sprocket. Okay. So, kunin ko muna at number 21. 21. Center is D2 plus D1 over 2. So, this is equal to 50 pitches. Bale, ang CP is equal to C divided by P. Okay? Number of pitches. So, to get yung center distance, CP times P. So, 50 pitches times number of pitches, 3/4, so 0.75. So, 50 times 0.75, this is 37.5 inch. Maging inch na to eh. So, kukunin ko na si D1 muna. D1, okay? D1 is equal to number of pitch 0.75 divided by sine 180 divided by 9-inch diameter pulley. Okay? A number of teeth. Binigay na pala yung diameter. Hindi ko na pala kailangan pang isolve. So, C is D2 is equal to C minus D1 over 2. So, C is 37.5 minus yung D1, 9 divided by 2. 37.5 minus 4.5. 33. Ayun, no? 33. Correct. So, this is basic number 21. How about number 20, 21? 22 na pala yun. Hindi makamove on. Number 23. Basic yung mga tanungan pagdating ng sprocket and chains. So, a 20 teeth sprocket driving 100 teeth sprocket a center distance of 38 pitches. Excuse me. Find the chain length in pitches. Direct sub. So, LP is equal to T2 plus T1 over 2. Tandaan nyo, wala tong cross, cross sprocket, Hindi yan flexible. Okay? Plus 2 CP plus T2 minus T1 squared divided by 40 CP. So, T1 is 20, 100. Okay, tapos 38. 100, 20, divided by 2 plus 2 times 38. Hindi ako nagkakamali, 38 balikan nyo lang. 38 plus 100 minus 20 squared divided by 40, 38. So, 100 plus 20 divided by 2 plus 2 times 38, 76 yan, plus bali 100 minus 20, 80 squared divided by 40 times 38. This is 140.2105 pitches. Pitches. Ayan, pitch. Next. Find the standard distance between sprocket having 6-inch and 8-inch diameters. Oh, direct sub. So, for number 24, ay nahanap lang naman yung center distance. So, D2 plus D1 over 2. So, yung D2 natin is 18 plus 6 divided by 2. So, this is 21. Ayan, hindi ko na kinalculate. 18 plus 3. 21. Tinatanong pa ba yan? Pagdating sa board exam, automatic, may score ka na. 21 inch.